This was shared with me, so I can share it with you. This is a ice scraper or an edger, however you want to use it. And I'll get this open here for you, and we'll assemble it. So you can see how very simple it is to assemble. This is all it is. It's 3 pieces for the handle. Then this is the 1 piece for the blade. Easy peasy. Here are the instructions. Very simple to assemble. Just put that together. You can use it to, there you can see it's tar off your brick. You can use it to scrape ice off of your asphalt or your porch. You can use it to edge along your sidewalk to get the grass cut and edged. So multi uses here. So we're going to get this started. This here is going to be your handle, and you see it has the holes through it, so you can hang it. You can tie some twine through that, or some sort of a loop. So, or you can just hang it right on a hook. If you have just like a 10-penny nail, or you could hang that one there. All right, here's how these are all going together. You're just gonna rotate them till they're in place. We have one more here, and easy peasy, right? So there's your pole, nice length to the pole. And then all we need to do is add the top yet. So here where our top is going to go on. Again, that's going to screw in as well. There, what was that? 1 minute to assemble. So really nice, convenient. And of course, if you needed the space to sort, you can just disassemble it, untwist it, and you can pack it away if you don't need it. So there it is. Let's see here. How can I show this? I can do some edging. I'm going to take you out here on our sidewalk and show you some edging. We do not have any ice out there on the road just yet. So as you can see here, it is basically fall, winter where I'm at here right now. So here I can just show you amidst all of the leaves here. If you just wanted to trim along run this along there. Obviously this is more of an issue during the spring when your grass is starting to grow over, but you can just snip it all off just like that. And you just move the edging away. So very simple, run it right along, and that will chop off all of your excess, all of your extra plant that is growing up over your, chop off all the extra plants that are growing over your sidewalk.